right.
I mean, it's not a surprise. It is a shock.
This is going on YouTube. No, I know, but
This is going on YouTube.
I already said that. Thank you.
You can't change the
I never decided.
I know, but I was just thinking the same way.
Oh! You just gotta floor it.
So done.
You gotta
So
forward
done.
pull it up. That'd be amazing. Well, at least it was hurting.
He can't see us.
Oh my gosh. He's going. He's going.
He tried to do with these people. This is smart.
Yeah, but he went the wrong way.
You're just getting stuck.
Gotta go at an angle.
That's what you get for breaking the law.
Shut up. Yay!
I know who you are.
When did that guy watch?
I want to see him step out.
I bet you $1 million is a white guy.
I'll bet you $1 million it's a black guy.
It's not a white guy.
I'd shake my man.
No
black guy's gonna be done.
Oh, he's got it. He's got it. So it's
The rims aren't shiny enough.
exactly. A black guy's not going to mess up
right now. How can you tell?
This guy's not going to be dumb enough to drive into a ditch.
Oh no, he'd make the car jump over the ditch. He'd use the hydraulics to make it just jump straight over the ditch.
Well, he even has four-wheel drive. I mean, what is this?
Look, they're just watching.
They're so like.
Baby, no be priceless. What? For a Ford to come over and pull out?
What if he ran into a sinkhole and he fell and died?
That'd be terrible, dude.
Damn, that was my butt. I'm sorry.
So close. Don't go backwards.
I think you're stuck. Are you filming this?
Yes. So don't cuss.
I didn't.
I know, but everybody else is.
Why all you motherfuckers recording so hard? It'd be more funny if it was like an E.
Right now.
It's right behind.
No, he's not.
This truck sucks.
Come on, turn the wheel.
Well, maybe it's
Sorry.
not the truck, it's the user.
I want a smart car can get to
I know, I'm scared.
That's smiles.
Goldfish.
Should we all get out and start encouraging him like being his cheerleaders?
No, we should all just like push it up. We should all
just shut the hell up and stop thinking so hard.
I like your thinking.
I
like your thinking. Hey, no, that's not.
I'll take your tits,
Don't.
bitch. Oh, he's like, oh, I'm not about to go out. Hands, boy.
Is he coming out to help?
Did you get out yet?
Dude.
Hey, David, before you get throwing your stuff.
No, I'm not. I'm picking it up.
Why is everyone recording and I don't even...
Why are you still doing this?
I like how they...
I like how we can't go anywhere. Like someone can literally just go get this
What's going on?
That'd be awesome.
Oh.
Hey, yo, you dead.
No one's like that.
You're gonna just bring this buddy more and more.
Do you see how deep that mud is over there from that car? Dirty Sanchez, help him.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, he drives better
Stuck into it.
He's gonna flood that into the
Dude, oh my god.
That would be amazing.
That'd be terrible, dude.
You're like...
Just
This is what I like to call
annoying.
redneck district.
Redneck entertainment.
Shut up. No, I'm kidding.
What he's almost out? Dude, go that way where there's
No,
no
it's
water.
not BET, it's RET.
No, oh, he's TiVo. We have the.
Oh, I get it.
He's going toward the water.
He's almost out. I think, yeah.
I started to realize I
How long is it?
Yeah, he's out.
I just think it's.
Oh, wait, no.
Oh wait, your
Never
front
mind.
wheels aren't going anymore. You remember?
Hey, are you watching wet?
Here we go!
Oh no, we're moving.
Oh! I wanted this to be his bird.
Oh,